Hey everybody, what's up? And welcome back to the channel. The number one question I get asked about selling products online is, do I have to run paid ads on YouTube or on Facebook in order to make sales? And the answer is no. There are plenty of free traffic methods out there that you can use before you dive into the world of paid traffic. I highly recommend you start with these free traffic methods rather than investing more and more and more money into paid traffic. Now, why would I recommend that? The answer is simple. If you can master free traffic first, you'll be light years ahead when you start to actually run ads. Your messaging will be more refined and you'll know your target audience a lot better. And you're much less likely to waste valuable dollars when you're just getting started. The problem is the best places to get free traffic changes quickly. What was popular a year ago may not be the best place today, and that's why it's important that you watch until the end of this video so that you'll know the best places to get free traffic online to sell your products or services. So, what are the top free sources that can work on in 2021? Let's dive in and let me show you. The number one, TikTok. Full disclosure, I'm not personally on TikTok, but I had to include this on the list because everyone that I know is posting content on there and they're getting so many views, it'll blow your mind. The reason for this is simple. TikTok's algorithm is designed to test your content out to small groups of people. And then if it does well, it gets shown to larger groups of people. Whether TikTok is 100% honest about that or not, how their algorithm works is up for debate. But there's no denying that people with hardly any views or followers are able to post their content and get away with more attention than they're getting on Instagram or on Facebook. Here are a few tips you can get started with on TikTok. One, just start. Just go for it. Shoot a video and share it. Two, do some research. Spend 30 minutes on TikTok and you'll discover what type of videos people like to create. Then do the same in your personal style with your personal message. Three, put your link in your bio. Make sure traffic has a place to go. Four, be active and engaged. Leave comments, like videos, follow other creators, and DM them. Use this platform as a way to build relationships. Number two is YouTube 2.0. I like to call this traffic source YouTube 2.0 because people love to tell me that they've missed the boat on YouTube or it's an old strategy. That's because people think how YouTube used to be maybe 5 or so years ago, which was primarily a search engine. People wanted to watch a specific video, so they typed in what they were looking for in the search tab, and boom, they would watch the video. But that's not how YouTube operates anymore. More than ever, people are jumping on the platform and letting YouTube pick videos for them, or whether on their home page or suggested video tabs. This means, just like TikTok, you're able to get your video seen without having a huge following or a ton of subscribers. In fact, it might be better to start a channel now so that you know the subscribers you collect are people who want to engage with your current content, and that engagement ultimately helps your channel. So, if you're looking for free ways to get traffic in 2021, don't look any further than YouTube. Number three, Facebook groups. Most people split social media into two categories, search and social. Search channels are sites like Google, where people are literally searching for answers to their questions, and social sites like Facebook, where people jump on without any intent and they scroll through their news feed and look at a bunch of stuff. Those lines are getting pretty blurry lately as people go on Facebook and actually search for content. They usually do this by searching for specific groups to join. And there are two strategies here that I'm going to give you for the price of one. The first strategy is to join these groups. Post valuable content like answering questions, giving insights to your post, all that good stuff. And then people will naturally reach out to you. They'll direct message you or even visit your profile where you can have a link to your product. The second strategy is to create your own Facebook group. It's ultimately free and it takes just a few minutes to set it up. Here's the trick. Have a group title that catches people's attentions when they're searching. If your niche is in the health or fitness niche and you call your group weight loss tips, that's not going to work so well. Most people will choose a group that's specific, like losing weight while eating carbs for moms. Or if you're in the money online space, something like 6-figure secrets with affiliate marketing. That way, when people search for groups, they'll find it appealing and something that's geared towards their specific goals. So I hope this gets what you are started as you generating free traffic for your courses or affiliate products or whatever you want to sell. Look, I could have given you 25 more sources and made this video an hour long, but the truth is learning how to master the best opportunities out there is what will ultimately serve your business in the long run. Now, you may be wondering, what do I do with this new traffic to my business? It's time to figure out how to monetize. One method is to sign up for Amazon's affiliate program and include links in your description to different products that you may be using or talking about. Another thing to consider is signing up as an affiliate for any software tools that you are using. For example, if you're using a certain video editor or a stock music or photo site, or if there's another relevant software that you like, you can become an affiliate and link it in your description. What I've been doing is sharing a course that I'm taking called Partner with Anthony. This course was created by Anthony Morrison to help new affiliate marketers get their businesses up and running. This course has 30 modules covering topics like sales funnels, email marketing, list building, and traffic strategy. You can also get access to done for you email templates and sales funnels that you can truly hit the ground running quickly. In addition to that, when you sign up for Partner with Anthony, you can then promote it to other people and receive affiliate commissions when people purchase through you. Anthony gives you access to promote his entire ecosystem of products and courses, meaning you can turn a one-time sales opportunity into multiple sales opportunity. I've included a link in this course in the description below this video. Click on that link to learn more and get started today. This is truly one of the best ways not only to monetize your small YouTube channel, but to learn more about affiliate marketing and build alternative streams of income besides just YouTube. As always, thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time.